Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Compoform Gravitsapa here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella here. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So what do we have? It's a pretty cool box with some nice Compoform writing, and you just slide it out and you find some nice foam containing this pretty cool fidget toy. Very simple packaging, and this guy is the Gravitsapa, which means warp drive, and it's a magnetic fidget toy, and you have like a slider. Okay, this slides like that, or like this. Yes, two directions to slide in. It's a clicker. You can click it basically anywhere around. It's a worry coin because you can just keep this guy in the pocket and just rubbing it like that and just feel the texture of it. And it's also a pocket top, all in one item. So this guy, it spins. So it's made out of brass. It has, like if you open it up, you see that it's made basically by two parts, and there's like 18 magnets with 4 ceramic balls like inside to reduce frictions, and you have only one like here. It's also like a little ceramic ball that's just gonna be like for your spinning pleasure. So very simple constructions, basically 2 pieces with another, of course, 18 plus 4 plus 1 pieces. So it's relatively complex overall, but it's nicely done. It's a brass piece. The weight on this guy, it's quite hefty. I mean, it feels substantial in the hand, and it's gonna be like let's just do like, let's make it 0, and this guy is going to be, look at that, 3.08 ounces. So very, very interesting weight on this guy. It looks pretty good. It's circular. There's some milling work going on the back. It's nicely done. It adds some nice traction, some nice grip. And here it's like a dish. You see, it's like concave or convex, depending on from which side you're looking at it. And very, very simple. You have like these 4 tracks which are gonna help these balls like to slide through, and basically you just push it in the center, you just slide it, and you have like 4 indexes. So these are the sliding directions, so you know that you can slide in this way and upwards like that. So by just holding in one hand, you can just like slide it up and down, or to the side like that, or just clicking, and it has a nice and loud sound, like 100%. So it's a very interesting and innovative thing, like to have all these features in one toy. It's really, really cool. Also, the weight is gonna ensure long spinning time. They are rating at 6 minutes because it has some heft to it. The clicks are strong and satisfying, so nice audible feedback. Even when you slide it, it's kind of loud. And to give you some perspective, for example, this is a Ambori coin, maybe like that. This is like a Lautier Sam, that's a nice spinner. And let me show you another couple. That's the Ambori coin, but in the mid-size. This is the Maki and Ambori coin collaboration. And let me just show you another couple ones. This is also Nighthawk, Zirk coin. This is Lautier Shuffle. And what else? We got some EDC Lung shields. You have like a Mahjong tile, and also like another Maki capsule right there, just to give you an idea of the size of this guy. So it's gonna be feeling really cool in the hand, absolutely good in the pocket. Sounds loud, so just be aware of that. Nice weight to it. It looks pretty cool if you ask me. I never seen anything like that, so it has a pretty unique design as well. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.